we finished the React basic lectures. Okay, now we have seen so far what React is and what it is capable of. Okay, we know that. Okay, what is React and what can be done with React. Okay, to summarize in brief, we get to know what React webs are, React components, okay, props, states, and life cycle of React component. We know that we know all these. Okay, the React web, what are the React web apps, what are React components, okay, how to create React components, how to use props, okay, how to pass props, okay, how to make states, okay, how to update states, and what are the lifecycle component, lifecycle method of React components. Okay, these all things we know already. Okay, now let's jump to the to do the simple project of calculator app. Okay, in this calculator app, okay, why a calculator, why we take calculator as a project. Okay, we choose to develop the calculator for some specific sets of reason, and most of them are mentioned below. Okay, that is simplicity. Okay, calculator is a simple gadget. Okay, and you have seen use and misuse several of these. Okay, you have seen many varieties of calculator, and now we give you the chance to create a calculator. Okay, we will create a calculator here in this project. Okay, then next we'll do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in this project. Okay, with the basic arithmetic operators. Okay, with the help of arithmetic operators. Okay, then another is scope. Okay, what are the targeting may be very simple, but it is lots of future scope. Okay, for the we will create okay, then another one is abundance of interesting points. Okay, we have a calculator may be a very simple things, but if you think to create a one of yourself, you will need to identify and create all the different components. Okay, identify and establish a mutual interactive platform for this. Okay, so uh, we take calculator as a project. Okay, we create different types of components here. Okay, lots of component. Okay, then another one is cosmetic challenge. Okay, if you have a knack for a detail, then developing and styling a calculator will be good starting points for you as a calculator itself. So, okay, this helps you to create a best UI. Okay, calculator UI is okay. Then process to build an app. Okay, how to build an app. Okay, how to build an calculator app. Okay, first we will structure the calculator. Okay, we will structure the calculator. Okay, then next we will building the UI. Okay, we will build the user interfaces. Okay, then we'll build a functionality on that calculator. Okay, then we will installing the calculator with the help of bootstrap. Okay, let's see, I'll show the project. Okay, this is the calculator we'll build. Okay, here this is the title of this calculator. Okay, that is the CSC, this calculator. Okay, this is the this place is the display. This is the input display. Okay, this is the input display. Okay, where we put an input, and this is the output display. Okay, these are the keys. Okay, or these are the component, these all are the component. Okay, and this is the styling. Okay, this is the styling. We will style this with the help of bootstrap. Okay, then I'll show the functionality of this. Okay, let's take an example. 1 follows. Okay, 2. Okay, this is an input display. Okay, this is the input display. Okay, if you click here equal to, okay, then you will get here 3 in the output display. Okay, in these buttons, okay, we use event handlers. Okay, we use event handlers, so that if you click here, okay, 2 plus 5, then 9, equal to what 16. Okay, you can clear this. Okay, if you click two main numbers, okay, you can delete this. Okay, one by one. Okay, this is the simple calculator we will create in this project. Okay, with the help of React. Okay, in the next lecture we will create what structure, we will structuring the calculator. Okay, then we will building an UI. Okay, this is the user interface. Okay, this is the interfaces. Okay, we will build the interfaces, then we will create a functionality on this calculator. Okay, then we will installing this calculator. Okay, in this video. Okay, this much.